What is up, world? It's your favorite cook back in the kitchen, Big Hurt, once again. And today we got all these ingredients out. We finna jump right into it. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and tap that bell right beside subscribe. Yeah, go ahead and join the family. And so today we're gonna be making some loaded potato soup. And these are the ingredients that we're gonna need. You're gonna need some chicken broth. You're gonna need some flour. You're gonna need some little red potatoes. You're gonna need some sharp cheddar cheese. You're gonna need some sour cream, one small yellow onion, a half a stick of butter. You're gonna need some green onions, and you're gonna need some bacon. And so I'm finna get my vegetables chopped up, my onions and green onion, and my bacon. And I'm finna get this bacon fried up in this pot. And I'm finna show y'all how I get down. Alright, I got that bacon fried up. Fried until it get crispy. Alright, now I got my bacon all crisped up. Now you get your slotted spoon, scoop your bacon out of there, but leave the grease in there because that's what we're gonna make our roux with. So y'all in a few seconds. Alright, y'all. Now I didn't use all the bacon fat that rendered out because it was a pretty good bit. So I pulled some over that. Look at my nice crispy bacon right there. And I'm finna drop in this half a stick of butter. Get that butter melted up. We're finna got my onions chopped up right there. As soon as the butter get melted, drop in your onions, then your flour. We're gonna make this roux. I'll be right back as soon as it get melted. Alright, got our butter melted down. I'm finna drop in these onions. We're gonna cook them till they soften up a little bit. We're gonna drop that flour and start making this roux. Got those onions nice and softened up. Now I'm finna drop down the flour. And there's one ingredient I forgot to tell y'all at the beginning. You're gonna need some milk too. Either milk or heavy whipping cream. And those are half a cup of flour I just poured in there. Now I gotta get this stirring so I don't burn my roux. Alright, now I got my roux done. So now I'm finna, oh yeah, you don't, you just really cooking it flour down so it won't have that flour taste. You're not really making it get real brown. Now I'm finna go in with like 2 cups of chicken broth. It's about 2 cups. I don't do no measuring, y'all. I just eyeball. So you can measure if you feel you need to. And like I said, there was another ingredient I forgot to tell y'all, that was milk. You're gonna go in with 2 cups of milk. 1. And 2. Alright. Get the stir. Alright, now y'all, I went on and added the whole box of chicken broth. I added in my sour cream, which was like a half a cup of sour cream. And I added in half of my green onion. Get this stirred in. And then we gotta season it a little bit. And all the seasons we're gonna use some black pepper and salt. So let's put black pepper in there. salt. Do a little bit like that. We're gonna taste it at the end. If you need some more, we'll add some more. All right, now gonna drop in this bacon. Potatoes. I ain't gonna take long for those potatoes. Oh yeah, I got another correction on the potatoes. It wasn't little red potatoes. It was the gold potatoes. The Yukon Golds. So that's what I'm using today. Get them all stirred in good. Let them cook down until they get soft and tender. Then you're gonna be about ready for your soup. And I got some more green onion over there chopped up, so I can top it off and use them as a garnish. Oh yeah, I gotta get my cheese and add my cheese too. Be back. Now I'm adding the cheese. Y'all know I don't measure, but it's gonna be about. I know I love cheese, so it's gonna be about 2 cups all together. That's what I estimated there. Alrighty, get it stirred up. Alright, y'all, that potato soup is done, and that's how it's looking. And I'm finna fix up a bowl. And I'll be back in a few minutes to show y'all the finished product. Alright, y'all, now to fix me a good bowl of this. Now I'm finna show y'all how to top it off. Top it off with a little bit more cheese. Just like that there. Then we're gonna go in with some, let's go with the green onion. Just like that there. Put me a little bit more. Just like that. Then we're gonna go in with some bacon. Some more little bacon. Then we're gonna go in with a dollop sour cream. Right in the middle. Yes, sir. Now y'all tell me how that look. Tell me how that look. Some good old potatoes, loaded potato soup. Y'all get down in that comment section. Go ahead and tell Big Hurt how he did. And y'all know what I'm finna do. I'm about to get my grub on. So y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse the channel. All that good stuff. And Big Hurt on the checkout. Yeah, yeah.